Welcome to today's video. Freaking, I promised you guys I was gonna freaking bring another car to the channel, but not only did we bring one car, we brought two motherfucking. Hell yeah. I'm saying we got the right hand drive and we got another, but that one's left, that one's not right. That one's right hand drive swap, that one's not. That one's mine right there. Freaking, that's my cousin's right there. So we're gonna go ahead and work on this one more than that one. Reason why is that's his build, but we will be bringing this build into our channel. We will be like, everything he does on it, we will work on it. This one's mine. We're gonna go ahead and offload it. Once we offload it, we're gonna freaking talk more about it and get the freaking day going. Fuck yeah, guys, we got two motherfucking Nissans now. I gotta stop cussing or else fucking YouTube's not gonna fucking monetize me. But yeah, we got the right hand drive, you know, right over here. Full interior.
It's a little dirty, but
just a little. Fucking seat worth more than the car right now. Fucking, we got fucking what's that dash? That one?
That's a US dash right there.
That's a US dash, right?
We got the kicker panels non-scratched.
Say. And then we got a bunch of work to do on mine. I was like, we got a lot of work to do on mine.
She did have SR in it. She was running about 4 months ago.
Yeah, but Carlos had to suck a dick, so we had to sell it.
You know, she's stripped.
Oh shit, we got the Roman candles.
Roll cage, fucking pig nose front bumper.
Oh yeah, we got everything. Some free paint over there. Fucking.
Oh yeah, that color's Destroyer gray.
Oh shit. So
I bought it for this to spray it.
All right, so we're gonna fucking pilot paint that. We got the little Apexi shit right there. Fucking.
FC.
Yup. So
still has the SR20 full wire harness in it.
Yup. We don't have a mirror right here, but we're just gonna put a CD.
She has a solid drive shaft, Q45 rear end, diff in it. Pretty much a good solid build to start, good base.
Yup. So it looks like we have a lot of content going. So
Z32 calipers, braided lines.
All right here.
You know, she's a solid.
We got some freaking Megan Racing coilovers. Freaking, don't you have coilovers on this one too?
Yeah, coilovers on this one.
We got coilovers on this one. We got fucking.
She just needs some TLC. She's a little. We gotta sit for a little bit, but it's all right.
We got a lot of work for both cars, so a lot of content coming up. We're gonna either go we might go LS, we might go freaking SR, just depending on the situation. So we got some work to go. So hopefully we could get these started this week. We got the new builds already. We got both, you know, 240s. You know, we're gonna get these S13s, you know, going. So I don't have anything to work on today. Like, I don't have no sandpaper, none of that. We are gonna start as, you know, fixing all the paint. You know, we got all the bash bars inside. We're gonna start working from the inside out. You know, we're gonna get this all nice and painted, get rid of all this rust, get rid of all this, you know, stuff we don't need. So we're gonna get it all nice. We got the wire harness for the freaking, it had an SR20, so we got to get that going. We got to get these were my old wheels. I don't know if you guys remember, these were on my Miata. Whoever's been in the channel for a while, we're gonna get this all cleaned up. What else? The inside, you know, it's all big roll bar. We got the, you know, the seat mounts right there. What else do we got to do? I don't know why there's two batteries in here, but okay, we're gonna check if they all work. But yeah, this is a nice steering wheel. That's probably like the shiniest thing up in this car. But yeah, we're gonna get this going today. Like I said, I don't have anything. I don't even know, there's a lip in here. I don't even know what lip is in there. But we got the front bumper, and we also got the two side what is it, side what are they called, fuck, the side fenders. We got the side fenders already. We got some more body panels. We have a little bit of a better dash, but that's on the other car. We got a shifter right there. We got to figure all this stuff out. We got a bunch of work to do, actually. Got to clean all this shit up, make sure this is all nice and painted, you know, see what else we could get going. We do have some body work to do. Like I said, we gotta get this all nice and painted. We gotta hit this with the sander, primer it, get it all nice and done. Try to find a mirror for this because this one's broken. What else do we need? I think that's pretty much it. Besides that, we're should be look like we get the ball rolling. Paint this all nice. I have a little compressor I just freaking found. Somebody left the compressor in the side of their house, like not on the side. That'd be stealing, but nah, they left it in front of their house. That's why I have my backpack full of tools, because I found a free compressor. I already have one, but this one's small where I could just put it in the back and, you know, buy a sander or something, get that car, you know, get it done faster. You know, the faster we get that body work done, the faster we're gonna drop that motor in. And it's right here, it works, you know, but there's a leak. You guys can hear that leak. So I'm gonna get that going. Somebody left that in front of their house. I guess they threw it away because of the leak, but I'm pretty sure it's simple that I could fix. If not, we'll weld that leak or something. We'll get it going. We also got this RC car right here that we're gonna work with. It had a spider somewhere, but I put it away because I don't want to get, you know, bitten by a spider. So we're gonna get that going, and that should be it for today's video, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Next video, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be about building that car and, you know, getting the day going with that, you know, trying to get that build going as fast as we can. So the faster we build it there, get all that stuff there, we're gonna end up moving it over here. When you guys see that car over here, that means one of two things. We got the motor and we're gonna drop it in, but that might not be until quite some time because I'm trying to make this build as clean as possible. I'm trying to show you guys that I just got a shell and we're gonna work from there. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.